Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. And myself Arun. And today in this video, I have solved this question. Western Family Steakhouse offers a variety of low-cost meals and quick service. And other than the management, the steakhouse operates with two full employees who work 8 hours per day. So this is the question, which has three parts. So I have solved this question using Excel solver and provided the formulation and the constraints. So I have solved all the three parts using Excel solver. So if you require the solution, you can just reach me out. I will be providing you the solution over email address. So I will be sharing my contact details like email address and my cell number on the description part of this video. If you require this question solution, then definitely, you can just reach me out. Thanks and have a good day. Take care. Bye.